Good afternoon, everyone. Isn't this wild? It's a blizzard today. And according to the weather, it is 9 degrees, but feels like negative 11. Isn't that wild? What do you think, Bruno? Do you like it? So, hope everyone's safe. So this is what it looks like today in Maine. Blizzard. It's a blizzard. Be safe. Bye. Hey everyone, it is 5:49 now, and check out the progress of the blizzard. It's pretty wild, isn't it? What do you think, Bruni? I think he likes it. Especially he likes to have a drink, right, Bruns? He likes to eat snow. Anyway, hope everyone's safe and sound, but this is what we got so far, guys. Have fun. Bye. Hey guys, it's the day after the storm, and this is our snow for today. Isn't it cool? And he's doing his business over there. It's time to dig out. That's what my neighbor's doing. Isn't it cool? It's so beautiful. So have fun playing in the snow today, everyone. Bye.